Hello, my name is Eddie McKenna, and I am a Public Information Manager in the New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services. In this recording, I'll take you through some of the main benefits and top tips for using onlineforms.nh.gov in shoreland permitting. As we continue our transition toward paperless permitting processes, homeowners and their agents can now complete and submit their shoreland permit by notification, shoreland standard permit application, and other shoreland permitting needs without having to print anything out, send anything in the mail, or write a paper check. Some of the other benefits of using online forms instead of printed forms include that you can save your progress and finish later. You can access your own submission records more easily. You can get status updates by email instead of by paper mail. And if you want to, you can easily share your submissions with others. Let's take a closer look at how this works. If you have not already created an account in onlineforms.nh.gov, click Register in the upper right corner of your screen on the menu bar. Complete all fields and hit Save. Check your email for a confirmation code. This could take a couple of minutes. Enter the code and click Confirm Code. Return to onlineforms.nh.gov and sign in using your email address and password. Download and complete the fillable PDF. In this case, we're demoing the Shoreland Permit by Notification form. Complete it the same way as you would using the printed form. Return to Online Forms and click Begin Form Entry. Once you've entered your latitude and longitude, which must be within New Hampshire, you'll be asked to upload the form you just completed. Please note that PDFs of your plans must be readable, including written dimensions on the plan or an adequate scale that shows the size, length, and width. If you have questions about how to make a PDF or how to scan plans to PDF format, you can usually find answers at your local library or copy center. In this screen, you'll be asked to acknowledge the fact that you have the ability to pay by credit card or electronic check. There is an additional fee associated with paying by credit card, no different from if you were paying a municipal bill, a vehicle registration, or making a similar transaction. Last, pay the application fee. To pay by e-check, you can find the routing number, account number, and check number at the bottom of a paper check. And you're all set. We hope you find the benefits helpful, and we look forward to working with you.